out here in South Dallas, about to work on a Fiat. And checking out the brakes. We're out here in South Dallas. I'm gonna be checking out a Fiat, probably a Fiat 500 or something like that. It definitely needs some brakes. I'm gonna do a multi-point inspection on it, and you know, it works. Check it out. It's a new client too, a customer referral. We're gonna be knocking out the brakes for sure. For sure. Rear engine. Definitely time to be changed. Just did the passenger side. That's how they look. It's pretty bad, but it's pretty much the tools you need. 17mm for the wheels, of course. This is for the caliper bracket itself. I use the T45. That little flat blade push the piston back, or actual piston compressor. All right, just gotta pump them brakes. We're good to go. This car's so little. All right. On to the next one. It's pretty simple on that Fiat, wasn't too difficult. One thing that I recommended for them to do is definitely get some new tires. It's gonna need some window regulators and just a couple little knickknacks, nothing too major. So we're gonna get some regulators ordered for it. Both of them went out. I'm gonna see what's up with this Mexican spot too. I feel like they're pretty good.